Welcome to the Pennywise Prodigy show, where savvy solutions are here to glow. Get ready for clever hacks.
Hi, Savvy Savers, and welcome back to a special edition Pennywise Prodigy Show. Okay, that's a little too much. Let's take it down. Okay. Hi, guys. Welcome to episode 4.5 of the Pennywise Prodigy Show. Today, I am doing a nail video, and we're just gonna jump right into it. Y'all are here in my handheld today, because we're gonna get close and intimate. So let's get in here so you guys can see my workspace. Bam! Here's what we're working. Okay. This is what we're working with, right? Sarah. Mine are looking busted. As you can see, they're not real cute. So I'm gonna just time lapse this because who wants to watch all that crap, right? Let's go.
Welcome to the Pennywise Prodigy show, where savvy solutions are here to glow. Get ready for clever hacks to embrace and budget-friendly brilliance to chase. Some more sinners as the third game. Clever hacks will bring the fame. Budget-friendly brilliance, it's a pride. Join our channel, come take a ride. Come take a ride. Pennywise Prodigy, we've got the tricks, life on a budget. We know the fix, from DIY to savvy style. We'll make your budget